Or not. I could just fall, you know, that's completely possible. Or I could clutch it. What is up, guys? So as you guys saw from the beginning of this video, we have a new intro, so that's cool. Our intro is made by Devon 2D. Again, he's an amazing intro maker, and I'll leave his channel link in the description if you guys want your own intro. He makes intros for $2, and he also does like outros and stuff. He also does free work, but I suggest just paying, because I don't think he pays too much attention to the free work stuff, and they aren't official, so he can cancel them anytime he wants. So yeah, are you gonna bow me or okay? So goodbye. What is your oh well, he died as well, so okay, cool. What should I make my nick? Fast math, because that's cool. Alright, let's go. So yeah, we have a new intro. I'll also be making a banner and a logo. I also make logos for people now, by the way. They're free, and I only make them in a day or so it doesn't take that long. If you guys want one, actually here's some work I've made a couple days ago. If you guys want your own logo, you can DM me on Discord, and I will do your intro, your logo, sorry, what? And also I wanted to talk about this online summer enrichment program I entered. For some reason I didn't enter it. My dad like just signed me up for it without my consent or anything, so I had no idea I was part of this until like yesterday. And he's out of here. Deep Pearl? Well, I'll kill him if he does. Did he? Is he? I did not see that. I only found out that I was part of this program yesterday, and apparently they had classes yesterday. So I didn't get to attend because I found out really late, like 3 p.m. or something, while I was checking my email, which I don't do very often, by the way. So yeah, I missed the first day. But yeah, anyway, classes start at 10 in the morning, and I wake up at 9. Well, I wake up earlier, like somewhere around 8 or something, but I usually get out of bed at 9, pretty much, when I want to record, or like when I have to edit a video. 9 o'clock is the time I get productive. So having classes at 10 is gonna affect my upload schedule a bit, but not too much. It's completely fine. I don't mind anyway. I didn't grapple. Crap. Well, I won this fight anyway, so there's guy. This guy's weird. He's kinda laggy. But we won anyway, so cool. I have 2 classes per day. I take science and music theory. Each classes are around like 40 minutes long, so it's not that long. Epic. And this is gonna go on for like a whole month, the whole month of June. I'm gonna have this summer enrichment program, and then I will Then we will start classes at August, so my upload schedule is seriously going to die once August starts, so yeah, that's that. I'll take this guy on. Or not. I could just fall, you know, that's completely possible. Or I could clutch it. Somehow clutch it. And kill both of these people. Amazing. And the good thing about this summer enrichment program is, like, you don't do a lot of stuff because it's only 40 minutes long. You're gonna have to, like, you're gonna expect you're gonna do like tons of stuff, but no, we just watch videos about like music. We play Kahoot every now and then, and we take like short tests and stuff. You saw nothing, and yeah, it's pretty fun. I get to see my friends, so that's cool. Why is the server so laggy? So yeah, we have a new intro, and then soon we're gonna have a new banner, a new logo, and I made my thumbnail tutorial like yesterday. I also made a render tutorial the day before that, and I hope I can upload this video today so that my daily upload streak doesn't break, because I really am trying to do my best to upload daily and pump out content for you guys. So if you guys are enjoying the content so far, I would appreciate it if you guys would leave a like in this video and subscribe to help my channel out even more. What's my ping? I gotta know my ping. 222 ms. Seriously? That my ping is so bad. What? It's maybe because I moved my setup to another room. What? There's another guy. But like yesterday, I was playing on this same room and I had no problems at all. I had the usual ping, which is 150. Whoa, that speed pot was wild. This is one of the perks of being laggy. You can literally destroy anyone. Yeah, I'm really laggy right now. I think that's gonna be it for this video. It's a pretty short video, not gonna lie. But I'll be recording another Skywars commentary later today, so that I can upload it the next day. So I'm gonna start making pre-recorded content, and so that I can keep on uploading daily. So I hope you guys leave a like and subscribe for more Skywars content. And yeah, that's the video. I hope you guys have a great day, and peace out.